Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Ouji from ArtsyBalloons. So today we'll be learning a balloon butterfly. It looks like this. Alright, so are you ready? Let's get into it. Alright, so the balloons we need for the balloon butterfly is 2 6-inch pink heart, 2 yellow 6-inch heart, 1 dark pink 260, and 1 260 rosewood. Actually, all these colors can be changed, but these are the balloons that I'll be using for this tutorial. So to start off, I'll be inflating the 4 heart shape, 2 pink first. Alright, 1 balloon. Balloon. Tie them together. This. Alright. To put it aside. Move on to the yellow ones. For the yellow ones, we're going to inflate them a little smaller so that it's a size proportion play. Slightly smaller. Tie it up. Second one. Make sure they're the same size. Tie them up. Alright. Take the pair of balloons, put them together. Make sure they cross. And take 1 pink and 1 yellow. Twist them together. So make sure it's secured together. Alright, so now I'm going to move on to the body of the butterfly. I'm going to inflate the 260 pink. Tie it up. So it's around this length over here. Okay, let's start off with the nozzle. And do 1 bubble. Another bubble. Gonna put them together and lock them together. So it should be tight together with no separation in between. So let me show you a bad example. So if you twist them together, and it looks something like this, where the middle can be separated, that's not good, okay? So make sure they are tight together, like this. Okay? Take the nozzle, slot through the middle, take it, pull it. Make sure it's tight so the balloon doesn't fall off. Alright. Next we're going to do a pinch twist on both of them together. So this top part over here and this bottom part over here. We're going to bring them, squeeze, get them close to each other, bring them close to each other, and twist. 1 clockwise, 1 anti-clockwise. So you have 2 pinch twists like this. Okay? Next, we'll take the butterfly balloon, we'll place it over here, and you have to go 1 round and back into the pinch twist. So go 1 round, and go back into the pinch twist. So tie it back in. once you're done with this, tear off and let go. So this part, after we tear off, you still have to wrap it around to secure it. Okay, so it looks a bit messy. We're gonna run. We're gonna arrange the heart shape. So it looks something like this. Alright, so next we'll move on to the feelers. You'll take your 260 Rosewood, inflate it, just a small bubble like this. Okay, gonna tie it up. Okay, so this part is a little bit tricky. Gonna separate them in half. Twist in half. Okay, so you need to take your necks, wrap it around like this. Don't make it dead. Don't cut off the air supply. Just hold it there. The thumbs like this. So you are doing kind of a square around it. Okay. 3 fingers at the bottom. Squeeze it. So you're gonna squeeze your hands, your fingers. The bottom 3 only. Squeeze the bottom 3. The thumb and the index should not apply any pressure. Alright. So squeeze it. You should have a sound like this. Alright. You should have a bubble coming out like this. It shouldn't be like this, where the bubble gradually comes out. So this is wrong. So make sure you're holding this part over here, so the balloon will just appear over here. Okay? So once you can do this, you're gonna hold it further. So same thing, no pressure. You're gonna hold it like this, so it's, and if you squeeze, it should come out over here. Alright, so we're gonna do it one step forward. We're gonna fold this thing in an S shape, like this. You see an S shape. You're gonna hold it lightly. Same thing, no pressure. Leaving just the top like this, and squeeze it so it should come out at the top. Like this. It takes practice. Took me about a month or so to learn. Alright, so once you're done at the top, apply pressure, seal it off, and let go of everything. So hold on this part over here so it doesn't go back. Alright? Okay. So make sure they are the same size. If they are not, you can kind of slowly release your finger pressure over here and start to adjust, bringing them back and forth. You see? You can play with the air pressure around. So once the size is correct, seal off. Okay. Hold them both like this with your thumbs on one, index on the other, and the middle on the other. Pull to find the center point. So this part is where you should attach it to your butterfly. Alright, so if you apply pressure here as well, it will not move around. Okay, so take your butterfly, tie it in, so after you put it in already, take one of the feelers, go one round around the pinch twist. Go one round around the pinch twist, so it's secure and the air will not move around. Okay, so if it's messy again, adjust it. So everything is nice and presentable. there you have it, a balloon butterfly. Alright, that is the end of the tutorial for my balloon butterfly. As you can see, the heart shape is very simple. The only difficult part are the feelers. So the maneuvering of the air in between the two ends of the balloons is a very difficult task to do, but it takes time and practice, and one day you'll be able to do it easier and faster. Alright, so that's the end of my tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any requests that you'd like me to have a tutorial on, please leave them down in the comments section below and I'll try my best to do them. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.